This is Online GED Teacher, and in this video I'm going to share with you a quick clip of a student getting their question answered. The student was working on the fraction section. Fractions is so important because it's one of the core concepts that appears to be basic, but then it keeps repeating itself as you go through, even up until the algebra level on the GED test. So go ahead and take a listen. All right, Erica, so here I am at number 3 that you asked about. So it says last week Mike used 62 pounds of hamburger meat and 28 pounds of hot dogs to feed the 200 campers at Camp Winters Glen. What fraction of the meat served was hamburger meat? So the thing you have to do with these kind of problems is, very first thing, you want to identify the question. Really, so you just want to identify what fraction of the meat served as hamburger meat. So that's a fraction, right? Because it says what fraction, that's the question. And it says of the meat, so the meat goes under here, and the hamburger meat goes on top. So that's what you're looking for, because the question is asking very specifically what fraction, there's a fraction bar, of the meat that goes on the bottom and the hamburger meat goes on top. So this is the part, and then this is the total amount of meat. Okay, and then the second thing we're going to do is we're going to do what's called state your path, which means that we just simply go to the problem here and find the different pieces of data that we're going to use. So we know we have 62 pounds of hamburger. And so 62, I'm going to put H. And then 28 pounds of hot dog. And call that HD. And then from there, we have 200 campers. But the 200 campers doesn't matter, because the question is about this up here, right? So the campers, we're not going to worry about that. So we're just going to worry about the hot dog and the hamburger. So we know that both hot dog and hamburger are meat, so we're just going to simply add those two together, and we're going to get 90. And then we know the hamburger is 82. Use a different color for 62, so we're going to do 62. And then we're going to just put 62 over 90, because 62 is hamburger, and then 90 is total meat. And then from that point, all you're doing is reducing it. So you're just going to say the biggest number that goes into 62 and 90. I'm just going to guess 2. Could be something different, but it's a good, friendly, easy number to work with. So 62 divided by 2 is 31. 90 divided by 2 is 45, and so there we have our answer, 31 over 45. Hope this helps, and keep your questions coming.